I've always felt like it just didn't quite balance right. What my ad was saying required everybody to make a leap themselves that they wanted financial statement literacy. And I didn't know how to get them how to bridge them to that conclusion. And it's so easy. That one sentence feels like it did it a lot more effectively.
That is one of the hardest parts of writing ads that I had to learn and to figure out. Absolutely. So it's easy to like know what a problem is and to state a problem, right? It's easy to know what a solution is and to state the solution. Bringing someone to the idea that they have the problem, you can also help them with the solution, that bridge. That is, it just takes a little practice to understand how to do that. But yeah, so like saying, do you have this problem? If so, if you do have this problem, then all the answers can be found in blank. And this is where we're really going to tell the benefits of, what financial statements are.
And that's where it's important to remember who we're talking to, because I don't have to tell you guys that all of their answers are in their financial statements. We all jump right to the financial statements. We go straight to that balance sheet to start to figure out what's going on in their business. And we forget, oh yeah, we know that, but that's what they're paying us to know. They don't know that they haven't walked across that bridge to figure out what they need yet. And this does it beautifully. Now, you've thrown a huge wrench into my life, Ben, because now so much of the language I already had on my landing page, etc., I rolled into a different website that I created, which is a landing page for some business owner workshops that my husband and I are doing. And I just finished it on Monday, and now I have to go back and fix it.
Well, hey, what I would do, like what I say is launch what you have, put it out there, right? Like it's going to work. It's going to generate some traction to your warm audience. So like, let's collect that money, right? Because there are people who already know you guys and who would want it. And then you can build out something that might work a little better with cold traffic. So I would say launch and then come back and build another one.
Yeah, that has been a major lesson in the last 2 years, is that I can't just wait until I get it perfect. I have to just get it done and get started and then make it better and keep building, and showing up here with frequency has helped me.
Just remember, good is good enough. Good is good enough.
Yeah.
That's your mantra. It's easier said than done. I don't always follow it, but I'm trying to. Good is good enough.
I'm reading a book called Brave Not Perfect right now, and it's so intense for me because I can see that my daughter is getting the same perfectionist tendencies as me. And so it's like reading therapy at the moment. And it's so part of what has stopped me from building the things I wanted in my business before, and what I see breaking down those barriers in the last year.
So thank you for sharing that, Laura. I do want to take a moment to address everyone's perfectionism. And I say everyone because we're all accountants, right? And we are highly analytical. We pay a lot of attention to detail because it's really important that we do that, right? So we've been trained to think a certain way that is maybe a little anti-creative. And I struggled with this, guys. Like, it might seem natural for me to do this now, but it doesn't always feel natural, and it certainly was not always natural at all. Like, what I had to learn about doing this, about marketing, about writing stuff, right? What do we even say that's going to resonate with people? It's kind of like the scientific method. That's how one of my mentors put it, right? It's like you start with a hypothesis and you have to conduct an experiment, right? We have to like put it out there and get enough eyeballs on it to have like a statistically, valid sample size. And this is what I do with ads all the time.